All right. So hello everyone. Welcome to this live session. Before starting the session, let me know in the comment section that. All right. So hello everyone. Welcome to this live session. Before starting the session, let me. All right. So let me know in the chat box if the screen is visible and I'm audible clearly. And we'll wait for some others to join this session so that we can get started with today's uh, hiring session today's session that we're going to talk about Sparkathon by conducting by the Walmart. So I'm going to, in this entire session, I'm going to explain what this session is about and also how you can participate in this hackathon, along with what are the rules that you have, what everything related to the timeline, eligibility, and what kind of solutions that you have to come across to submit, and the price amount. So everything that I'm going to tell you in this session. So for now, let's wait for a couple of minutes for to others to join. So if I'm audible, if the screen is visible, so let me know in the live chat so that we can start this as soon as possible. All right. Thank you, Amay. Thank you, Samiksha. All right. So still there are, I see there are a lot of people are still joining. So before starting this session, I want to tell you that today we are going to discuss about hackathon conducted by Walmart. And okay, so before that, let's say as you might be some of you're from if you want any help regarding like any which way, I'm going to tell you everything, and like I'm going to share you the link as well for where you can apply for this hiring session, apply for how you can apply into this hackathon. So before sharing this session, I'm going to update that link in the description of the video at the end of this session, because I want you to understand everything, all the information related to the video first, and at the end of the session, I will drop that link in the description. From there, you can go take that and you can actually apply for this. All right. All right. So I think we are good. So basically, we'll start with this. Okay. So as you know, Walmart is coming up with this Sparkathon, and basically this hackathon or all right. So basically, this hackathon is for the people. This is open innovation or open challenge for every student. So you can be probably from any college, tier one, tier two, tier three. It doesn't matter. You can still apply for this. And this is going to be a hackathon, and you have to come up with a problem statement to solve that. And this is specifically, as you know, Walmart is from retail industry. So you have to pick the problem statement of any of your idea that you have come across regarding that industry, regarding the retail industry, and you have to come up with respect to how you can solve basically like what is the problem statement that you think is need to be solved in this industry, what should be the approach that need to be followed by to solve this problem, and how you can overcome whatever the challenges that you have overcome in terms of solving this problem. Everything that you have to document it in a video, and you have to submit it while applying this for this hackathon, right? So now, before that, so there are, let's talk about what are the multiple themes that we have. So basically, as you can see on the screen, you can participate specifically in the data or future of retail, emerging tech, where you can use AI and ML, or you can be specifically a supply chain. These are all, these are the pillars that how Walmart works. So you can pick any of which is the theme, and you have to come up with a problem statement related to that theme. So for example, let's say if you pick data, so you can check here on this web page also, they have given all the clear information, what kind of a problem statement that you can solve with respect to this theme. So these are like basically, as you can see, merchandising the stock, the right items, or sourcing to like source better from the suppliers, and you can ensuring timely availability of the products, then pricing and how you can derive the best prices for the shoppers, anticipating customer needs in the e-commerce, targeted a promotion to basically performing better advertisement to the targeted customers, and how you can increase that, or in this entire thing whether you can use some of the AI ML related systems, or you can build your recommendation models, or you can perform some demand forecasting, or you can do a search and discovery analysis. So these are the things that you can pick if you are specifically picking a data. Or let's say this is not just the only thing that you can see future of retail, and you have emerging tech as well. So if you're coming from a BTech background, or if you're coming from a technical background, you can choose anything between either data or emerging tech. Or apart from, let's say if you're from non-BTech, or apart from like if you're from a management field, you can choose anything which is relevant to your current degree that you have, so that you will have a better solution in that field. So now once you pick the emerging tech, so you are free to work on any problem related to this sub theme. Here the explanation to get here they have given, so what exactly you can build. So you can work on something like AI pattern systems or smart baskets. So as you know, like Walmart is a retail industry, right? So you go to like supermarket store and something. So basically you can build a smart basket. So you will need very less human interaction in terms of the shopping. So you can create a basket where you can pick the products and you can drop those in a basket, and automatically it will generate the bill for you. And there you will basically, you don't even need someone to create a bill, or you can make the payment on the same basket, and you can basically check out from the store. And also like digital assistants to help you with respect to like entire idea about the store, like which products are kept in which location. So also virtual reality tools. So there are so many industries that are coming up with respect, you don't even have to visit the store. And since Walmart is also, they have online stores as well, so in a virtual reality, they're giving you a real-time shopping experience at the store, right? Then predicting customer buying patterns. So basically, this is if you already know some of the AI/ML algorithms, so you can use market basket analysis here, and deciphering their needs, designing systems that can deliver better. So these are they have given some of the ideas or some of the specific challenges this Walmart is facing. So you can basically come up with, you can pick the data set, you can pick one of the use case, and you can create a solution for this. All right, and you have to submit your solution. So these are the specific themes that they have, and you can pick anyone. It's not recommended that you have to go through anything. So you either go and you can check these links. You can understand basically like which one suits better for your current eligibility, and what exactly you know in terms of building the systems, and you can choose that. And after that, now what is the eligibility that you have? So basically that's the basic things comes here, like whoever want to participate into this. So you need to be anyone from any CS or non-CS background. So as you can see, this is eligible for the BTech guys. So whoever is from the BTech, and you have to be either in a CS or non-CS background. So if you're in a BE or BTech, so that has to be full-time programs, and you are of a batch 2024 and 2025. And let's say if you are from currently in a first year or second year, so it is not, you're not eligible for this program as of now. So if you are from third year and final year, you can participate into this. And let's say if you're from a dual degree full-time program, then and of a batch 24-25, so this is not eligible for the student who are from first year, second and third year. So anyone who is from the final year and the second like dual degree program are only eligible. And let's say if you are from masters, ME or MTech, and if you're going to pass out in the batch of 2024, then the first year students are not eligible for this one. All right, so this is the eligibility criteria that you have. So basically that anyone who is matching this eligibility criteria can participate into this. And why it is basically, how it is going to be important in terms of participating is that, so before exactly talking about how it is important, I'll tell you like what is exactly it is going to be and what are the steps that you have to follow. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to select the any one of the theme that I have told you regarding. It is either data, future of retail, or it can be emerging tech, or it can be supply chain. So you can read more about this industries, and with respect to each team, they have given some of the examples as well, like what exactly, what kind of POCs that you can build around that theme. All right, once you select the theme, you have to describe the problem statement that you are going to solve. So let's say if you have selected the data, you have to come up with the one problem statement which is relevant to the theme that you have selected, and you have to clearly articulate the problem of your submission is addressed and its significance in the retail industry. So you have to describe a problem. you have to explain the solution that you're going to come up with and how you're going to help, how you're going to solve that problem. So describe your unique solution that effectively tackles the identified problem that you have selected the problem. And once you're done with that, you have to upload a demo video. So this video will either go on YouTube, and that can be either you can make it public or you can make it private, but make sure while filling out the form, you have to submit the link of this video. The length of the video should be 2 minutes that they have given in the FAQ questions. I'll go through that and I'll also tell you more detail about that as well. So you have to demonstrate your solution through a captivating 2 minutes video. Upload the video to a submission via a YouTube link. So first you have to upload your submission to the YouTube, and that link you have to submit while applying for this program. All right. So now, what is the benefits apart from the participate is that you will get an opportunity to showcase your talent and innovation to the leading global recruiters at Fortune #1 organization. Then there is going to be an event conducted by Walmart, and this is going to be a live event there where they are going to announce the winners. And if you're be a part of this winner, so you're going to get a chance of like 2 lakh rupees in cash, and you can participate in the teams, and the team members can be either 2 to 4, and basically if you're participating in a team, you have to select only one idea, and you have to provide the solution for that. So you can't be a part of multiple teams at the same time. You have to pick any one idea and you have to submit for that. So these are the basic requirements that is that they are given. And what are the important dates in terms of this complete application is like, basically applications have been started in July 10, and the last date is at the 17th. So basically this is like you have still 12 days left where you can go and apply for this, and you can select the problem statement. You can start working on that. So then the final announcement is going to be on 25th, and the winner announcement is going to be on 15th of September. And this is going to be a live event, like I said. So we have one more link about that. So this is a live event that is happening at JW Marriott Bangalore. So you have to be present in that event in terms of to go there. So this is not going to be a virtual. You have to register from here. This is a complete website. And don't worry about this website. This is all we have already. I'm going to put that in a description. So before that, we'll talk about something. So now, basically, what do you need in terms of to participate is that we have given. So you need to, like I said, you need to select a sub-theme. You have to describe the problem that you're going to solve and the solution being provided. You have to take a video of like 2 minutes video, and along with the YouTube link, you have to submit that. And it's not just you will get an experience in terms of how the industry works, and you will get an idea about how you have to approach to this kind of a problem statement. And even if you let's say now, what is the benefit? Like even if you'll not win, even if you'll not get selected, so you will get a participation certificate. So that will be helpful in terms of to adding more value in a resume. So whoever is going to participate into this, so if you register for that, you will get basically the certificate for that. And what are the apart from that, all the details that you need in terms of let's say all the FAQs that they have given on the link itself. So if you win, and will you get a remote opportunity? So winning team will get an opportunity to interview for a full-time role with Walmart. So basically this is going to be a good opportunity for the people who are coming with the better solutions in this platform. So now, all right, so these are the things that we have. So now here we have given the apply link. So let's look at the form, how it's going to look. All right, so this is basically you have to type in your team name along with your college, and like all the details about the team name. So all the team members that you have, and like I said, that there is going to be, if you're going to add the members, so you can add that the team should minimum have 2 to 4 members. So once you try to fill out this form, it will go to the next statement. And while filling out this form itself, you have to submit the video. So that's why I'm not showing you in terms of, as you know, this is given on the web page itself. So any which way, I'm going to share this link in the description. So now for the people who are not, let's say if you want to understand what exactly you want to do, how you can submit this. So if you want to pick some of the problem statement, like what exactly, if you're like, okay, what exactly I have to pick in terms of the data. So if you're aware, So in one of our courses, we have completed one of the POCs. We have built the projects as well. So for example, let's say if you're going to pick emerging tech, in respect to that, you have to build like AI ML models, or you have to build that. So these are the system like this predicting customer buying pattern, or let's say we have like smart basket. So these kind of projects we have already solved in one of our courses under like Prepinsta Prime, where you can get, if you go to artificial intelligence course, where we have a complete course on the machine learning. In that, as you can see, we have already worked upon like market basket analysis. Then you can see there is complete association rule based learning. So these are products that we have already done. So if you're already a subscriber, if you have already gone through one of our courses, so you'll have an idea what exactly these are expecting to you to build in terms of that. So basically, I'll give you an idea to go through and have a look up on that as well. So, and if you want to select a data, like here we have one more field theme as a data, and in that more of like, instead of more focuses on these kind of a subtopics that they have given. So that also we have covered in one of our courses under the data science. So where you can see some of the POC use cases, and which you can pick any one of the use case which you can pick, and you can solve through that as well, and you can go that. And if you need any kind of help, as you know, if you are already part of our Discord community, so I'll just show you one of our Discord communities, or we have active on Discord. So if you need any kind of a guidance, then you can come up to this. All right, so here we have a general discussion channel. As you can see, you can drop all the queries. Let's say if you have picked one of the problem, and if you're solving on that, if you need any help, so basically you can drop your queries on this general discussion. So where me and my team members will help you in terms of how you can solve that question. And like you can use the, you can leverage the benefits of this community. You can contact the people who are already like you, and they want to participate into that. So you can network with the, along with the other students that same working on this problem statement. So basically you can take help from here as well. All right, so this is how it's going to be beneficial in terms of being part of our Discord community, and as well as if you're already part of our Prepinsta Prime platform, so you will get an access to these courses where you will get an idea in terms of what exactly you have to build. All right, so these are the things that you need to take care of. So let's go through some of the questions that we got on the live, and if you have any queries, please let me know that in a live chat, so I'll address each of the queries that you have, so that it will be better for you to start. All right, so what we have here, Neeraj asking, are MCA students eligible? So there's no, we have not seen anything regarding the MCA. Basically, this is completely for the BA and BTech students and ME and MTech students. So if there is anything related to MCA student, we'll go live and we'll share the information about that as well. And anyone have any queries regarding that? All right, so Amay is asking, do we have to implement the same about idea, or what we have to record in a video, or like just the solution or whole implement? So basically, Amay, what you have to do is like you have to pick, like they have given the different themes, right? So data, future of retail, emergent tech, and supply chain. So basically, you have to pick any one of the theme, and depends on that sub theme, you have to pick one idea, and that idea itself, and how it is going to challenge, how it is going to solve some of the problems at Walmart, and along with that, what is the solution that you are going to come up with. So these things like idea, how it is going to help, and as well as how you're going to solve that problem. So basically these three things you have to merge, and you have to create a video on that, and you have to submit that while applying for the same link. All right, so anyone who have some of the doubts? All right, we have Sairam. So basically, at the end of the session, we are going to share the link in the description. So make sure you get that at the end of the link. So, and at the end of the session, you will get that all the details that I'm showing on the screen that you can see. You will get that. Don't worry about that. And all right, so here we have one more question. If I'm from another state, is we qualify for final round? Is they provide? There's no description regarding the travel allowances. Basically, you have to travel from there. So basically, any which way, that's going to be a really good opportunity for you to, if you go and participate into this live event, you can create, you will get a chance to meet with the industry experts that they are. And apart from that, the other participants who are going to showcase their work. So I'd recommend you, if this is going to be really interesting, I'd recommend you to go and do this live sessions. And since this environment that we have, so network is going to be helpful, really helpful for you in terms of getting knowing to new people and collaborating with them and working like this kind of a technology is going to be really helpful. That will not get if you do virtually. It is more good when you visit this kind of things. All right. Apart from that, if you have any query, please let me know in the chat box. So I'm here to help you with that. And now let's say if someone wants to come up with one of the use cases, so what exactly you can build. So basically I have some collection of the use cases. So these are not, just give me a minute. All right. So if you already know about the AI/ML and if you want to come with respect to the use cases, so I have a GitHub repository. You can just search for Rishikesh Gunapure, and here this is the username. And in that, if you go to the resources, these are the collection of awesome AI use cases. And in that use case, where you can specifically, basically, this is a collection of all the use cases with respect to industry specific. And here you can go to the retail, and these are the problem statement that you can select in terms of. So these are not directly applicable here. I'm just showing you for the example. These are the collection of the best resources out there on the internet or the blogs. So basically, you can pick one of this, and you can think in a way that how you can relate these problem statements with respect to the Walmart's problem statement or with respect to what they're asking in terms of the different themes. So these are going to give you an idea like how you should approach, how you can think about a problem statement, and this will just give you for a guidance like how you can pick one problem and you can solve those things, right? So this is all we have. So on an update, and if apart from that, if you have any query, please let me know in the chat box. I'm there for a couple of minutes, or we'll wrap up this session. All right. So anyone? All right. So on a closing note, sir, I'll just tell you that if you want to know more about this kind of thing, so you can have a look at our platform where you'll get all this kind of a courses where you will get the information about the problem statements as well as how to build the solutions, or you can regularly communicate us on the Discord channel. So all the links will be given in the description. So that's it. So let's wrap up. I hope this was helpful for you. We are coming up with this kind of hirings and the programs regularly. So do check out the YouTube channel, and please subscribe to this channel and like this video so that we are going to come up with more such kind of hirings in this placement season. All right, so that's it. So that's a wrap. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.